to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know I am your girl C Bunny, if you don't know already. So you guys, I'm so glad to be back. So you guys, I'm bringing you guys a series of natural wigs. Y'all may have came across these wigs, but y'all ain't had my review yet, sis. Y'all ain't had my review. So I got several wigs I want to review in a natural texture for you guys. So this is a natural texture episode. So we going hard in September, you guys. And yeah, y'all already know. Y'all see that blend? And y'all already know I'm giving y'all my honest opinion about each wig that I put on this head, sis. Y'all already know. If you don't know, I'll give my honest opinion. Is it worth the coins and all of that? So you guys, if you're ready for these natural texture wigs series, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because you don't want to miss it. And yeah, and so let's get into it. Like, first, I'm gonna give y'all do y'all see that texture like blending with my hair? Like, you cannot tell me this is not my hair, sis. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. Like, what? Girl, bye. Even though this is my hair, but anyway, you cannot tell me this is not my hair, sis. So let's get into this video. Bye, y'all.
Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. Appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving
So you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know I am a natural girl. I do have fine hair. If you haven't been following me, you probably pretty much already know I have a fine hair, and it's very like curly. Like I cannot really explain my, but it's fine, you guys. It's curly. I am natural. I haven't had a perm in like over 10 years, you guys. So yeah, so this is a perfect blend to my hair. Like, girl, I done told y'all this before. Like, when I come across some good ass hair, like, girl, if my hair growed out, this would be my hair, sis. Like, if my hair get thick enough, this would be my natural hair. Like, this would be my shit. Like, this would be my hair, y'all. So yeah. And like, guys, this is the Outre. Y'all know I like Outre. If you haven't been following me already, I do like Outre wigs. This is a half wig with a deluxe cap. A deluxe cap, lays flat, you guys. That's what it's claiming. It do fits very perfect. I love that it do, like if I showed you guys already, I love it that it do have the string in the back. I can pull it and make it tight and make it just secure, and y'all see how she have it in different ways, you guys. I gotta wear it a couple times, but right now it feels very natural. Like my hair, you guys, it's so cute, and I love this curl pattern that it has. And like I said, you can do different styles. You can do a nice ponytail. Like, you can do so much with this wig. So you guys, I haven't been in any type of shedding. Well, let's see, sis, just this little one string I just pull. But it's like these wigs I will wear during the week. Well, damn, I'm about to knock this over. This is the type of wigs that I would wear totally to work when I'm on the go, especially during the week, y'all. I'm not a morning person. Like, this is the perfect type of wigs. The wig that I would definitely wear, and it's on the go, and it's so perfect, guys. That if you that type of girl, don't like get up in the morning like myself, or you just don't want to do too much to your hair during the week, and it's a perfect like protective style as well. And like, yo, I really like this. Like, I didn't even think that I would like it, you guys, but I really like it. And it's perfect. Like, I would rock this all the time, you guys. Like, I even got two. So yeah, you guys, it's perfect. I would definitely rock this style. So yeah. So you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I will find you guys the links to this wig if you are interested in purchasing. Like I said, this is a series of natural hair type of wigs. I know you guys like these type of videos, so they coming, sis, and I'm just glad to be back and to show you guys what I love to do, and just to give all the info and on affordable wigs and try on different wigs for you guys. So yeah. Okay, guys, so the only con that I may do have, I may just don't have it like slicked back too good, because I was in a rush. I just don't like the little hump, but I think I really can fix that, you guys. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. So like I said, if you haven't already, go on and hit that subscribe button, sis, and yeah, and I'm keeping them coming. Bye, guys.